Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the updates of Odoo 19 and that is the improvement in sales warning. So let's move on to the sales module and from configuration settings, we can enable the feature. As you just move on to the configuration here, you can see that first we just need to enable the sales warning that gets the warning in orders for products or customers. And when we just compare it with the previous version of Odoo, we know we can just set the sales warning with different options such as setting a message or setting no message or blocking the product. But right now in Odoo 19, there is an improvement in sales warning. So let's consider a product. Okay. So the product is bacon burger. And as you just consider this product under the sales, you can see that we have a section to set the sales warning, that is the warning on sales orders. So I have just given it as expired product. Okay. And it is just giving a text message over here. But in previous versions, we know we had a list to choose the option. Like it can be a blocking message or we can just block the product from being adding to the sales order line, or we can simply set it as a just choose the other option. But right now you can only provide a text over here, that is I'm providing it as expired product. So once it's given, you can just move on to the orders, and let's move on to the quotation and click on new. And I would like to consider the customer over here, which is Joel Wills, and let's add the product. So in this case, we have added the sales warning for the product bacon burger. So I'll be choosing the product over here. And here you can see upon clicking on confirm, you can see that as the product is expired, the message is giving over here. So this is the improvement that you can find under sales warning. And if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.